Your AI thumbnails don't look fake because AI is bad. They look fake because you gave up the camera. You didn't lose the click, you lost the shot. Letting AI choose the camera is like letting a real estate agent choose your personality. It might look fine, but it's not you. In the last video, we fixed the question, and now we fix the frame. Because style doesn't decide clicks, but perspective does. Most people think bad thumbnails come from bad prompts. They don't. They come from no camera logic. Your prompt says, cinematic man holding an object, but the camera says, mid-shot, flat angle, office lighting. That's not cinema. That's an employee badge photo. Emotion must fit into one frame. Not lore, not backstory, one word. Imagine a man holding a cracked, glowing phone, staring like his life just reset. That emotion is, ooh, something broke. Now imagine the same man, same phone, but smiling. Now that emotion is, phew, all good. Which one makes you stop scrolling? Emotion works like a road sign. If it's blurry, you miss the exit. So your thumbnail must shout one word: fear, pressure, suspicion, urgency, not a sentence, a signal. Camera angle is emotional math. Low angle means power. High angle means weakness. Close-up means tension, and wide shot means safety. Same man, same suit, same face. Only the camera changes, and the brain reacts differently. Move the subject off-center, and the brain asks, what's missing? Center him perfectly, and the brain says, profile picture. Cinematic framing tells the brain, this matters. This has weight. This isn't random. Most prompts are grocery lists. That's not a prompt. That's a warranty card. A good prompt is not description. It's direction. Ask yourself, what is the camera saying about him? If you can't answer that, then AI answers randomly. And random never converts. Stanley Kubrick said,
Everything I do is about the frame, not the costume, not the actor, the frame.
And AI is no different. So why do AI thumbnails look fake? No emotional compression, no camera intention, no cinematic framing. They're not designed, they're generated. If this changed how you see thumbnails, there's a free PDF below, and the full professional system is there too. And if you missed the first video, start there. Your thumbnails don't fail randomly. They fail because you don't control the camera.